Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to unblock someone on Facebook. First of all, click on this icon here and click on settings and privacy. And here search for blocking. Here is blocking, I'm clicking on it. And block users. In this block users section you will find those accounts you blocked on your Facebook profile. Here is an account I blocked on my Facebook. To unblock this account, simply I'm clicking on unblock, confirm, and that account has been unblocked now. And block messages means if you block someone's in your messenger, then those ID will show up here. To unblock someone from your messenger, simply click on this unblock. This is how we can unblock someone on Facebook. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.